Welcome back. This right here is July of 2022's General Box from Cray Club. So let's check it out. So if you're not familiar with Cray Club, it's a quarterly subscription service that delivers survival and tactical gear right to your doorstep. And as you can see, it's just so big. The box is huge as always. So I'm gonna put this down and let's pick out the first item here. Well, the first thing is gonna be our cheat sheet. So I'll be referring back to this throughout the video just to see what the heck we have here. And all right, let's start right here. It's a Bushnell Backtrack Mini GPS. But first things first, let me bring this in here. I'll be enjoying some Russell Reserve 10-year throughout this video just because I can. So let's check this out. The Bushnell Backtrack Mini GPS satellite technology. Says right here, designed to work with the Bushnell Connect app. This is awesome. So let's break this open here. I think I have a good idea of what this is here. And if it's what I'm thinking, I've been wanting one of these because I go hiking a lot. And sometimes I get a little anxious when I'm out there on some trails. And I looked into this as something I might want to purchase in the future. And what the heck is going on here? Man, you know, I really hate when they do this. You have the opening flap right here, but then they put a sticker right over that where it's almost impossible to open up without destroying the box. Let me see what I can do here. Screw it, I'm destroying the box. Jeez. Just take everything out of here and let's check this out. So this is the Bushnell Backtrack Mini right here, this little GPS device. And it's pretty small, so you can see it does say actual size right there on the box, and yeah, they're pretty darn close. So let's bring out the cheat sheet here. It says, don't have cell coverage or battery dies on your smartphone when you're out hiking, backpacking, or hunting. The Bushnell Backtrack Mini GPS will help you get back to your base camp or trailhead. It's exactly what I thought. GPS technology to capture your trip or waypoint so you can guide back to your starting position. Battery lasts up to 35 hours, rugged and waterproof. Very cool. I was looking at something like this, not this exact model, this Bushnell Backtrack Mini GPS, but I was looking at something like this because, like I said, I go to the Adirondacks all the time, and some of those trails get pretty long. Not saying I can't just turn around and walk back the way I came, but sometimes I like to veer off and go check some stuff out that's not on the trail. So something like this will definitely come in handy. And then what's this? Charging cable, USB to, so USB Type A to USB Mini. So that kind of sucks. It's not a Type C, but a little carabiner right here. Looks like a little strap and an extra screw, probably the mounting screw right here. So this is awesome. So I'm going to put this off to the side here. And let's see what else we have in this box here. Oh man, pulled out two things by accident. This is a Grail Ultra Press filter and purifier. So it's a water bottle that purifies your water. Fill, press, and drink. Removes viruses plus bacteria and protozoa. Improves taste. Filters chemicals and heavy materials. Very cool. 10-second press. So you can see how this works here. There's the filter that's inside of this canister here. And then you just press it through. Soft press. There's a trademark soft press right here. Comfortable pressing pad. Provides for an ergonomic, non-slip pressing surface. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory. As cool as it is, you just fill it, then press, and then you drink the filtered water. This is awesome. I actually never thought about purchasing one of these, but this will be on my next camping trip or hiking trip in my backpack. So that's pretty cool. Put this off to the side. Let's go to the next item. Actually, let's just go right here. The one that I almost pulled out is a light band wide beam LED headlamp. Awesome. 210 degree area illumination design in the USA. Optimal Ventures. There is a sticker right here, of course. And let's take this out. So it looks like just an LED headband and USB. All right, USB Type A to Type C. I like it. It's like there is a carrying case right here. But let's take a look at this light band here. So look at this. So the LED light strip is right there on the front, and then it looks like the battery pack is going to slip into this elastic sleeve right here on the back once it's charged up. Actually, let me see if it's charged up and test this bad boy out. So I just put the battery pack in this elastic band right here that says light band, and then looks like it plugs in right here, the Type C, and I'm guessing this is a power button. Give me some power. Come on. Oh, that sucks. So that kind of sucks. It looks like this battery pack is completely dead. The battery pack, you can charge it right there. Let me just see if there's anything else I have to switch on the battery pack. No, it's just completely dead. So what I could do is throughout this video, I could charge this just to see what this looks like. So maybe I'll get a little bit of juice in this battery pack by the end of this video. So I just plugged it in right there and I can see it is charging. So I'll put that off to the side and check back on that shortly. Next item right here. What the heck is this? It says Arcane Concerted Arc Bands. So I'm guessing these are just fancy rubber bands. Standard arc bands are a multi-purpose retainer band that can be used for securing cables and wires, slings, attaching a tourniquet to your kit, and much more. Approximately 6¼ inches in length, and they stretch to about 11 inches, and length may vary up to 3/8 of an inch. So let's check these out too. Just real quick. I mean, I'm guessing I have a good idea. So it looks like there's a clasp right here. Just attaches very simply, and yeah, it's just cable management, or like it said, tourniquet. Pretty nice to have in your kit or backpack. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Pretty cool, but let's move on. All right, next, let's pull this out. There you tell, this is a knife, Fox Edge right there. Let's see if I can find a model here. Doesn't really say, so let's just cut these open and see exactly what I have here. It's a nice sheath right here. It's a plastic clasp. Oh my goodness. And I said sheath, but this is more of a holster, it looks like. But this is a beast, man. What the heck? Look at this monster. I mean, this is a pocket machete. What? Look at that. So let me look this up in the cheat sheet here to find out what I'm holding here. This is a Fox Edge Anunakai folder with sheath. Am I saying that right? Anunakai? Yeah, Anunakai folder with sheath. The Anunakai folder is part of Fox Knives military division. It's a huge folding knife that has a proportionally large modified sheep's foot blade. You ain't kidding. With a black Cerakote finish, black G10 scales, rests atop a thick stainless steel frame. Oh my God, man. Stout lockback mechanism for additional safety. Let's just look at this, man. Oh my God. The handle is gigantic. So you can see 4 full fingers there, and I still have another finger's worth of room there at the very end. So the dimensions are blade length is 4.25 inches. Overall length is 10¼ inches. Close length is 6 inches, and it weighs 10.70 ounces. I'm seriously in love with this blade shape here. So check out the jimping right here on the back. There's some jimping right there. Feels very comfortable in this position. And then some more jimping right here on the very top. So if you want to get in there and do some fine work, that thumb rests pretty nicely right there. Man, so there's a lock right here, locking mechanism. So this is a lockback style lock right here. So you just press this and it unlocks the blade, but this locks that right out. So I can press that lock back down, and let's fold that up. Man, this is a beast of a knife. The size of that lock, just the thickness of that lock right there. A couple back spacer, barrel spacers right there. I'm trying to get a look inside at those liners right there. Most likely stainless steel liners. They don't look skeletonized to bring down that weight, and obviously this is 10.7 ounces. So it's not a light knife. And just for the heck of it, let's test out the sharpness of this blade right out of the box. And, oh man. Oh, bad angle. So this is really sharp, guys. This is just one badass knife right here. It's the Fox Edge Anunakai folder. Not necessarily a fan of sheaths like this, but I'll take it. Little Fox Edge logo right there on the back. Also, it does have a snap right here on the bottom for its mounting option. But let me put this back in here. See a nice little package here. Like I said, I don't like sheaths like this. It's like a holster style sheath, but the knife itself, I love it. All right, looking in the box here, I only have 2 items left. So let's just grab this right here. SLNT, regain control over your mobile privacy, security, and health. Featuring silent pocket, Faraday cage, or with multi-shield. I have no idea what this is. So I'm just gonna open this up just to find out what the heck this even is. No clue. It's a bag of some sort here. So some plastic on the bottom, some see-through plastic on the bottom that's just completely wide open here. All right, so it's just a bag. Let me just find out what the heck this is. It's a utility Faraday bags for tablets and multiple devices. Quick access Faraday bag with external window for evidence or identity tagging, okay. Durable weatherproof nylon with a quick roll down Velcro seal. Designed for electronic devices such as key fobs carried in unsecured locations. Instantly block all wireless signals. All right, and protect with remote wiping, tracking, and tampering. All right, so it looks like if you're in unsecured locations, you can put your phone or other devices in here, and this will block all signals through the bag here. Yeah, blocks 100 decibels plus, blocks cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, NFC, EMP, and EMF radiation. Very, very cool. Probably something I have no use for. I'm never somewhere where I'm trying to block my cell signal or, you know, RFID or something. Let's just try this out. So that's that Velcro roll up bag. Rolls up pretty nicely. All right, so like I said, for those of you who want to block your signals from your phone or GPS, this might be for you, but I'm moving on. And now the last item in the bag here. This is possibly a backpack. That's just my best guess. Some kind of a backpack, possibly. Very bright colors. Oh my God. Very bright colors. Kind of a duffel bag. No, it's definitely a backpack. So it's just a huge backpack, man. This is gigantic. This is the Kaliloha Big Kahuna Compression Sack. The Big Kahuna Compression Sack is a boss when it comes to compressing those huge, bulky items. This sack makes packing for that next road trip, camping or boating excursion, RV, adventure, etc. far easier and more convenient. It's made of water-resistant double ripstop nylon, reinforced stitching. Compression storage bag enables you to pack more in your backpack and make your journey so much more convenient and comfortable. Yeah, this thing is huge, and basically you throw a bunch of stuff in here and you can compress it down and make this much smaller. So I'm just gonna open this up real quick and just check out the inside. There's a lot of straps here. There's 3 straps right here, another one on the bottom, and then this opens wide, almost all the way open. I mean, I know you guys can't see that here, but you have to take my word for it. This is just a gigantic bag. So obviously I can't really demonstrate how this works right now. I'm just gonna buckle this back up and wrap up this video. But before we do that, let's check back on this battery here. Let me see if it has enough juice to light up this light band here. You just plug it back in and give me some light. Oh, there we go. So there's the light band. And is there multiple brightness settings? Oh, there we go. So I was holding it down, but it definitely didn't work earlier. So high, low, or sorry, medium, low, and then a red mode. Is that an SOS? No, just a flashing beacon. And off. Very, very cool. So I do wear headlamps when I'm outside at work during overnights. Something like this wouldn't really work for me at work. It's just too much of a wide angle beam. I would just blind everybody I would walk by. I like very narrow, very spotty lights, so I can just direct that light and not blind anybody, just be able to see where I'm going. Something like this I can see would be very, very nice for camping, or actually even just to have in your car in your kit, because this does light up a pretty large area and it's fairly bright. And I do like this beacon function for emergency purposes. So this is actually really cool. So for me, I guess my favorite items are this Bushnell Backtrack Mini GPS and this Fox Edge knife right here with the sheep's foot blade. This is just awesome. And I even like this headlamp right here. So this works really well. I do like the filter, the water filter here. I'm not really sure what I would ever use. Where did it go? This signal blocking bag. I'm not really sure if I have a need for this, or that compression bag, even though I do like that compression bag. I'll see if I can come up with a use for it. But these three main items right here, yeah, these I like. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of the July 2022 Crate Club General Box? Now, if you want to check this out for yourself, I will have links down below in my description box, and I will have a special code down there so you can get a discount. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!